Alright, so I have this locking gas cap for my truck here, and been having some issues with it not wanting to let the key in there. So the little protector part was getting kind of stiff, so you gotta kind of really work it. So I got some of this ultra lube and just spray a little bit in there. All right. Just kind of work it back and forth in there. Yeah, that's a lot better now. Maybe I'll try to spray it up inside there. It was like sticking, so I'd have to push really hard on the key just to get it to go in there, just to lift that little part up there. This guy right here. So now it seems to be doing a lot better. So I hope this helps. Just put a little bit of lubricant on there. I'm gonna take a paper towel and brush the rest of that off of there. So there we go. So definitely, if your little cap thing is sticking, that lock protector or whatever, I think it helps keep the water out or whatever. But it can get kind of stuck, and that's a way to unstick it. So thanks for watching, guys. GoPro, stop recording.